don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit phase me.
So, about 5 years ago, I bought this house. Nice size backyard, and as you can see, no HOH because we've been using it for any and everything, to include water balloon fights and a bike park. But eventually, decided we should grow up and start doing something with the backyard. Self-labor, of course, initially, and that worked out pretty well. Started planting some plants back there, as you'll see here. And then eventually that became a nice little area to play with, still with dirt behind it, but nice little area to hang out. Well, we've grown up now, and now we're going to transform this backyard into something that looks beautiful. You can see we got rod, we got a little grass now, some flowers back here. It's looking nice. Shout out to Paul's Landscaping for hooking it up. They weren't the easiest to work with. They didn't come through with everything that we wanted, but at the end of the day, it's no big complaints. Little dog around back there. That's what it was and what it is. Thanks for tuning into this video, and till next time, we'll holler at you.
Home run, bear by. We wanna win, we ain't trying to lose. You must humble yourself, you need balance.